Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish and today in this video I'm going to tell you about 4 Instagram story hacks for more views. And by using these 4 Instagram story hacks, I almost doubled my Instagram story views. In fact, my story views are just 5 times more than my previous story views. And one of these 4 Instagram story hacks will help you to gain almost 5 times more story views than your previous story views. So make sure you watch this video till the end. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want some more secret tips related to Instagram. So now without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So before starting with the 4 Instagram story hacks, let me just tell you that most of the people think that posting a video or a photo on Instagram feed is more important than anything else to grow on Instagram. But this is not so true. To grow on Instagram, you need to use all the features such as posting a photo or a video, posting IGTV video, posting reels, and posting a story, which is the most important factor for growing engagement and followers on Instagram. And the best thing about posting a story on Instagram is you will reach out to people who are not following you, and that is a big advantage for your Instagram growth. And this will definitely help you to gain more followers. If your content is more engaging and more interesting, then definitely someone who is not following you on Instagram will watch your story and will reach out to your Instagram profile to check out your more photos and videos, and this will help you to gain more and more followers and more engagement. So start posting Instagram stories now, and you have to make sure that your content is engaging. So starting with the tip number 4 to increase story views on your Instagram account is post frequently. So if you are posting a story every week, then you should be consistent. That means you have to post a story every week and you don't have to miss any day of posting, because being consistent on Instagram is the key to success. And I would suggest you that you should post at least one story a day to grow your engagement and followers. And this will definitely help you to gain more and more story views on your Instagram account. So now moving on to tip number 3 to increase your story views on your Instagram account is do polls. And this tip is that secret tip that helped me a lot to increase views on my story, and trust me, I have tried this tip and I guarantee you that by using this tip you can get almost 5 times more views than your previous story views. How to use this? You just have to post some story related to your audience, and then you just have to do polls asking any simple question related to post, such as do you like this photo, or will you go for this product or not, and keep the answer to be simple in yes or no, so that user won't get confused in the answers. And this will definitely increase your story views by 5 times. And make sure you don't have any other story before this poll story. So just delete the previous story and then post the poll story, or just wait for the story to end the time period of 24 hours. So now moving on to tip number 2 to increase your story views on Instagram is post engaging content. Posting is important on Instagram, but you have to make sure that your post content is engaging and people should react to your story. For example, if you are posting funny content on your Instagram story, then that story will get more and more engagement and more reactions. So the funny content is more engaging, and that will help your story to gain more and more views, and this will also help in growing more followers. So try to make your story more engaging and more attractive so that people will react to it. And now coming on to the tip number 1 to increase your story views on Instagram is to use hidden hashtags and locations. This is also a best trick to get more views on your Instagram story, and it helped me a lot to gain more views. So to use this hidden hashtag feature, you just have to type bunch of hashtags. You have to scale the text size and hide it using the same color that is used in the story, and this will keep your story clean, and user will also be not able to see your hashtags, and this will help your story to reach out to more and more people. And other than this, you have to make sure that you use the hashtags with less count, that is the low competition. Other than the hashtags, you have to make sure that you use location in your Instagram story to target a specific audience related to your content. and this will help you to get targeted audience that will double your story views, and that will increase your Instagram's engagement, followers, likes and comments also. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and do let me know that which Instagram story hack helped you to gain more views. You can also follow me on Instagram for more secret hacks related to Instagram, that how you can grow your followers on Instagram fast, how you can get verified on Instagram, and for that you have to just follow me on Instagram and you have to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.